Hello my beautiful viewers. Welcome to Anjodey Vlogs from Goa. Before watching the video, please don't forget to change your video resolution to higher picture quality. Currently, I am in Dona Paula. It's a place near to Panjim. This is the beautiful Hotel Sidade Goa, wherein International Fashion Week Goa is going to commence. Before attending the Fashion Week in Goa, we were supposed to attend the auditions which happened in most of the famous cities. I attended the audition in Bangalore city. It was a combined audition for IFW Goa and Bangalore Fashion League. There we had to attend lot of photo shoots. We were asked to do ramp walk. The judges included IFW Goa CEO Mr. Williams, CEO of Shanoj Irani Fashion Company Mr. Shanoj Irani, and other celebrities from movie and modeling field too. Several modeling agencies were also present there. I went as part of Ramstar Fashion Modeling Agency, and that is headed by my friend Mr. Vijay Albi. After all these auditions and now we are in Goa. It is time for the International Fashion Week Goa to commence, and it is going to be for 3 days. On the first day, we had lot of photo shoots. Before even getting into any designer costume, I was doing few of the photo shoots in my own costume, and it was really fun, guys. Here, we could connect with lot of experienced photographers, experienced models, and altogether it was a great experience. This show was happening in the beautiful resort called Sidade Goa. I was spending time walking out in the resort. It had a beautiful reception, a great swimming pool, and from there you can see this private beach. There is lot of area, guys, so if you are staying here also you can really spend lot of time here. On the sides of the swimming pool you can find this small cute resto bar, and there is an outdoor stage also wherein you can find lot of events happening there. Near to this beautiful lawn, I did some more photo shoots. Guys, near to the Sidade Goa resort, there is this beautiful private kind of beach which is called Dona Paula Beach, with this black sand everywhere and people enjoying, having fun here like me. People are actually taking bath here because the waves are so shallow. It's very good for swimming also, like the South Goa beaches. Everyone are really enjoying. See, guys are playing some beach volleyball. After all these, I thought I'll go back so that I can see the function getting ready. Now, I got call from my friends, so I thought I'll go and meet them at the reception. This is Mr. Vijay Albi. He is heading Ramstar Fashion Modeling Company. I am here in IFW Goa and walking for the ramp as part of Ramstar Fashion Modeling Agency. As you can see here, there are so many models lined up here. Even the audience have come up to watch the show. Also, the photographers are having some good times. Makeup time, guys. Feeling all excited. Meet the celebrity stylist Tasneem from Tasneem Makeover Studio, Cochin. Such a genuine and talented makeup artist she is. For bridal makeup or any other similar requirements, you can always contact her. I will provide the link to her Insta page in the description box. Some chit chat with Ashudi. She is the manager and coordinator for Ramstar Modeling Agency. These are few views from the first day. Now going to the second day. After having a good breakfast, we again went to the same place. Here you can see the second day of the event has also started. Today I was working for the designer Fashion Jewel. The designer name is Gauravi. She had showcased some of the beautiful collections of her on that particular day. After done with the ramp walk, we were busy with some of the photo shoots with the group as well as for some individual shoots. Even took some of the Instagram reels also guys, so please do watch my Instagram page for more photos and videos. And I got chance to collaborate with some of the good photographers like Akhil, Umesh, and so many other photographers too. Here I could meet Yash, he is the choreographer, Lijin, another photographer buddy of mine, and also many models too. Done with the second day too guys, tired and getting back to my resort. Guys, welcome to the third day and the final day of the great show. Got a new buddy here. His name is Akhil and he is working as a staff in this hotel. Now, the final day events are going on as you can see. I also had an exclusive photo shoot for the famous boutique in Cochin called White Bridals Cochin. The designer is Anne Ma'am. She has lot of gorgeous collections of bridal gowns, bridesmaid wears, saris and whatever you guys look for. You can always contact her for all your D-Day dreams to come true. Watch for her details in the description box. Don't forget to look at my Instagram page too for more pictures. Before leaving, I met Shano Jirani, the director of Shano Jirani Fashion Company. After all, I was working for Shano Jirani Fashion Company in IFW Goa. He was sharing his experience in the modeling industry. He has given a lot of contributions to the glam field and also looking at contributing even more to this field. Getting to hear his experience, motivation and guidance was really worth talking to him. And now, it's time to end up IFW Goa 2021 and now you can see more videos on my personal experience of my stays in Goa. Please subscribe to my channel if not subscribed yet. Hope you liked this video of mine. Please do share this video, provide all your comments. See you soon guys. Wish you all a rocking day. Bye. Lot of love from Anju Vlogs.